Characteristics of SAS. SAS programs are made up of SAS statements. As you know, I have explained here. See, this is a SAS program. They are made up of what? SAS statements. Is it clear? And they can begin and end anywhere on a line. Okay. One statement can continue over several lines. It usually begins with the SAS keyword. And the SAS keyword is not case sensitive. It always ends with a semicolon. I said you here, it begins with the keyword data and ends with a semicolon. A data step begins with the keyword data and the proc step begins with the keyword proc, right? In the syntax, a data step is beginning with the keyword data and the proc step begins with the keyword proc. So these are the two steps here, right? How many steps? This is one step and this is the second step. Both the steps runs with this run statement. Okay. The keyword examples are what? Input, data, buy. In the coming session, we can learn about this also. Run, infile, proc. Okay. And the comments in SAS, we can write like that to comment something if you want to comment in the program. So you can use this star and whatever text you want to write and then semicolon. Otherwise, in another way also you can do it. This is the another way. Okay. And the extensions in SAS. As we know that if you are from the programming side, you know that Java extension is .java. And here the extension is SAS extension is here SAS extension is .sas. Okay. And this is for the program file, and for the data set we use .sas 7bdat. Okay. SAS data set is nothing but stored in the form of rows and columns. Okay. Also known as data table. As I said you that extension of data set is .sas 7bdat. Clear? And data set is also known as a table, right? I said you that variables are known as columns and observations are known as rows. And SAS variable types. SAS variable is nothing but referred as column names of data set. Okay. Here in the syntax, I said you that var1, var2, these are the variables referred as, variables are nothing but the columns. So, there are three types of variables: numeric variable, character variable, and the date variable. Numerical variable are used as mathematical expression. The syntax is nothing but the input, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and so on, semicolon. And character variable is what? It is not used as a mathematical expression but used for values, treated as a text. It is treated as a text and we add the dollar after the variable name. Okay, in the syntax you can see that input var1 dollar, variable 1 dollar, variable 2 dollar, variable 3 dollar, semicolon. Why we are using dollar sign? Because it is treated as a text. Okay, that's why we will use the dollar sign. And the date variables, it is treated as a dates only. So syntax is nothing but the input, variable 1, date 9 dot. Okay. Yes, variable 2, month, day, year, 10 dot. MMDDYY 10 dot we will use here. Okay, semicolon. I hope it's clear.